Why are there not more people talking about cybersecurity? Don't wait until it's too late. Let's dive in. In today's interconnected world, cyber attacks are getting more sophisticated every day. Earlier this year, a US organization faced a relentless 4-month cyber attack. The hackers infiltrated their network, targeting sensitive emails and data. This highlights the urgent need for robust cybersecurity, and that's where Impress IT Solutions comes in. We offer 24/7 threat monitoring, advanced intrusion detection, and email protection. Our endpoint security and incident response planning ensure minimal downtime. Plus, we train your staff to recognize and thwart threats. Remember, early detection is crucial. Hackers move laterally, so network-wide security is essential. Comprehensive protection isn't optional, it's a necessity. With Impress IT Solutions, your business stays a step ahead of cyber threats. Don't wait for an attack to take action. Secure your future with Impress IT Solutions today.